Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know who I am, my name is Karen. I love doing little tutorials, and speaking of tutorials, for today I'm gonna go ahead and do this tutorial right here. It's on a nice orange, pinky, glittery kind of smoky eye. So if you want to see how I got that, stay tuned. So for this look, I'm going to be going in with the Tati beauty palette because it gives me all the shades I need and it gives me the corresponding glitters to all the shades I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be going in with this palette. So let me go ahead and bring you a little bit closer so we can get started. Alright, so first I'm going to be going in with the matte shade of Story, which is a nice orange shade. And I'm going to be tapping it around, like right before the end of my eye. I'm going to be tapping it and bringing it above my crease like so. Once you have that, you're going to take that same brush and you're just going to start bringing it a little bit more into the crease, blending it in circular motions. So once you have this all set, you're going to go into the matte shade of Poet, which is the nice little pinky shade, deep pink shade I guess, and you're going to put that on the outer part of your eye. Again, tapping on the shadow, really packing it on and bringing it upwards like so. And then once again, with your brush that now has little to no product, you are going to take it on the edges of the shadow and do little circular motions to blend it out, blending it in with the orange and bringing it out to the top. Okay, so now that you have this shape all set, you're going to take a fluffy brush and you're going to go into Aura, which is a creamy pinky shade of the palette, and you're going to run that all over the edges of your look. This really just going to help with buffing out all the colors and making for a seamless transition. Do you see the difference? So now that you finish blowing it out, you might want to go back into the orange or the pink and just really bring back the darkness of those shades. Like so. Then going back in with the orange and just making sure the color is still showing. Now we're going to go in with the metallic finish of Story, taking it on the brush and just swiping it at the midpoint of our lid. This is going to help the glitter mesh in perfectly with the rest of the eye look. So now that you've put the metallic, you've created the perfect base to lay down the glitter. Sometimes if you lay down the glitter on your bare lid with no, how do you say it? With no color in the background, it can come off as a little dark. It can cast a dark shadow when you turn certain angles. So I always like putting a color under these glitters. So we're going to go in with the orange glitter, just literally the tiniest bit, and place it right where we put the orange metallic and just really disperse it. We don't want it to be too concentrated. We just want it to be like a nice little sprinkle of joy. So once we have that all settled, we're going to go in with the metallic shade of Aura and tap it in our inner corner. So now going in with the glitter finish of Aura and just lightly patting it in the inner corner. Now we're going to be going in with the matte shade of Memory, which is a nice black color, and we're just going to really deepen up the outer corner just to add some additional depth. Yeah, future Karen here. I'm aware, painfully aware, that I am smudged with lip gloss throughout practically this whole video. You know what? I have no excuse. Blame the water bottle, not me. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna be going in with Poet on the bottom lash line, bringing it halfway through, and as always, connecting it to the top, following it up with Memory, really tight on the lash line, again bringing it to the top, and then taking the blending brush and just really buffing it out. And now as our final step, I'm going to take a nice little gel liner on a flat brush and just stamp it along my lash line. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. So yeah guys, like I said, this is the finished look. It's all set, all done. Today I opted out of wearing falsies because you know sometimes you just don't want to have extra hairs on your face. So opted out of that today. It's nice to know that a look can stand completely on its own without a pair of falsies. So you guys can completely recreate it in whichever way you want. Falsies, no falsies, it'll work for you. It's a beautiful look. I feel like it's a very beginner friendly look. I hope I guide you through the blending and all the process properly so you can hopefully recreate this in the comfort of your bedroom, house, whatever the heck. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give me a like. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, comment down below. And if you like this type of content, you like me in general, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I welcome you to, I encourage you to, and yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you next time.